Official Language Policy and its Implementation haiba hiramda Manipur University gi Official Language Cell na silaga nongmagi oiba workshop ama ngasi pangthokre. University asigi code holder pangthokpa workshop haudokpagi thoram amada MU gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra, School of Human and Environmental Science ki Dean Professor S Jibon Kumar, MU gi Finance Officer in Charge Professor M Premjit amade University asigi Department of Hindi ki Dr. CH Ingona Presidium Member Singh oina saruk yakhe workshop haudokpagi thoram aduga mari leinana Professor Naurem Lokendra na hai India da British ki loilam lengak matam sangna leiramba maramna Laibak asigi culture punsi mahing wakhalon amade mahi masin na chingba kayada British ki achoba ithil ama yauraga lakhe Indiana ningkha tamlaba matungda Constituent Assembly na Hindi ase Rajbhasha oina sakhangkhe Madugi matung kumza lising amaga chamapan humpu humdoida Rajbhasha Act ase pass tawkhe Makhatarakpada Government of India ke tongan ba office samati department kayada Hindi loan na mahut sinba horakhe Haujikti Constitution gi chatna kanglon makhada department khudingmak ke ayamba thabak thoram sing Hindi loan da pangthoknare amaromda Manipur University na Central University olaba matungda Hindi loan gi masamareng tapna fandokwa horakhe Haujikti University asigi Academic Council amasung Executive Council gi wafam khudingmak Hindi loan da handokle loinana file subagi thabak singdasu Hindi loan da pangthokpa haure Haukiba chahi tara manga dagi kun faubgi manung asida Hindi loan gi chanafam ase MU da leptana sandorakli haina lawba yai Central University olaba MU gi thabak thoram sing pangthokpada Hindi loan yauhan bagi tangai fadaba adumak lai masi pumnamak UGC na so yengsilibani haina Professor Lokendra na makhatana fongdokhe
So after independence in 1949 the Constituent Assembly had adopted Hindi as the Rajbhasha and in 1963 राजभाषा एक्ट इसको पास किया हुआ है और इसके बाद धीरे धीरे भारत के पार्लियामेंट में और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के जो ऑफिस में काम करने में धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को हिंदी के साथ काम करना शुरू किया हुआ